guys, this is Lisa from DAnaugustnails and welcome back to my channel. Now here's the thing, I could be very well welcoming you to, for the second time, to this in the same video. So because I had a bit of friend mail and then I recorded that one, and then I heard that I was getting another package from the same extraordinarily generously amazing human being, and I thought that I would do it in one video, but now I may be just doing it in 2 videos. So I just did a quick intro just in case, but let's just jump into it because I'm looking at this box and it's a lot, and I don't deserve this person at all. So let's wow. Let me just get into it. All right, so there's quite a bit of tips, so let's just do it right now. First of all, there are these Macart tips, and oh my word, like I don't even want to, but I'm going to. Oh my gosh, these are full cover stiletto tips, so I can do like press-ons or like the opera dupe. Oh my word, I don't know if you guys can see that, like on my skin, how that looks. Ooh. That is really nice. That is really nice. So there's that, and there are I'm assuming there's like, well, it's a big old bag of false nails, so I'm assuming there's like 500 of them in there. So there's that, those tips. This is a bag that has like 2, like obviously this is like an extra long, like extra long full cover stiletto tip. Again, full cover nails. I think they would probably be around the same length of the tips that I have on right now. Oh my word. Wow, 500 pieces. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, wow. Yo, these are longer. Like, can you see that? They are longer than my nail. Okay, so like, kablam. Wow. And so I have clear in those, as well as the natural tips. So that's that. And then I got some more tips, which is like, oh my gosh. I know everyone has this crazy tip collection. I do not. So this is, wow. I don't deserve you at all. I do not. And I'm not going to say the name. Anytime I get a friend mail, which is, I mean, I'm not assuming that I'm going to get a ton of friend mails. I do have like lovely people in my life, but what I have noticed is that I've been way more supported by people I've met on Instagram within the last year versus people that I've known for 10 years. But at the same time, I'm not going to be like, I'm going to get a ton of friend mail because I'm so awesome. No, these people are awesome, and if on the off chance that someone wants to bless me, I will be grateful, but I'm not going to say who is on there. I've had a very lengthy conversation where I've probably cried and made them feel hella uncomfortable because they want to be a blessing in my life. And we are content with that, so I'm not going to go into detail as to who, but can we talk about how perfect these stiletto tips are? Oh my gosh, can we talk about how perfect they are? Wow. Yeah, those are going to be lovely. So yeah, anytime I do get a friend mail, I'll just be like, this is what I got. Believe me when I say I have I'm so ridiculously, wow to the people and to the person that would ever want to bless me like this. Like, I don't even understand what is happening right now. If I cry during this video, just don't judge me, yeah? So I will say this about this person. This person is a major believer of my art and my hand painting and just everything. And I've never been supported like this, like by someone that I've known for such a short period of time. Like, there are people in my life, like my husband is my support system, my kids are, but there are so many amazing people that I have not yet met face to face that are just, oh my gosh. So this person, she is tremendously supportive of me. So here I have some art brushes, because she already said, like, you need some art brushes, you like would, and she even asked me what I needed. That was what was crazy. Woo, okay, so I have some dotting tools, which I don't have these. I know everyone has these, but Lisa, your girl, is just, she's been doing what she can with what she has, and it's been a humbling experience. But this is a humbling experience of a different kind. These mean so much to me, like, you don't understand how much to me these mean. And then I have these brushes that, oh my gosh, look at how nice. Oh, that's gonna be really good for like fine details. Oh, look at that. There's another tool. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing to use. So I'm excited for that. And these have actually been in a cart of mine, in an AliExpress cart of mine, for when I would do like watercolor painting nail art. So I hope you guys can see. We probably can't, but okay, maybe tilting it here, you can sort of see the levels. Like, this is a number 5, and this is a number 3, and 2, 1, and then that's the 3. So wow, I can't wait to do some stuff with these. Yeah. I don't even know why I have this, why I'm able to say that I own this, but it is because of this amazing human being. Oh my gosh. What did I say? What does that? Girl. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I love you. Like, oh my gosh. You guys, look at this gorgeous brush. If you own one of these, you already know. So it's just, I've just nothing to say. Wow. Oh my gosh. These are, oh wow. Do I have anything to open this up with? I'm gonna use a pen. I'm gonna be real real crafty on what these are. I'm pretty sure she said these were like liner gels, but okay. Oh wow. I have a backup to this. That's awesome. That is wow. Oh, these are painting gels. These are more painting gels. Yes. Again, so I mentioned this, but she is such an advocate of my nail art. Like, all the hand painting stuff that I do. I will say this about her. She was a part of the Halloween Spotlight collab challenge that I did October. That's what I will say about her. And so we worked together. We got to see each other's art. She got to see my art. I really got to know her. And like, every time she would just tell me, oh my gosh, I'm so blown away. Like, I'm so, and I would say the same thing, because you have to remember, in the Spotlight collab challenge, a lot of people had never really hand painted anything, and they did. Actually, everybody basically, and they did, and it was so amazing. And then to be supported by these people that were doing like equally amazing stuff and pushing themselves equally as hard, it was awesome. So she was super supportive of me, and she said, "Girl, I'm gonna get you some painting gels." So what am I supposed to do with that at the end of the day? I can't even. Thank you again. I'm gonna say thank you. Y'all are gonna get tired of me. Ooh, I get so emotional. You don't understand. You don't understand. I was sitting by my desk by myself, and and it was like people coming in, like clients, and all of a sudden the support was trickling in, because it was only ever me, my husband, and my kids just supporting the dream. And then people started coming in and getting nails done, and then I started getting like support on Instagram, support on YouTube, and then all these people that I have never met are also like ridiculously supportive. So what am I supposed to do except cry every time someone says I love your work, or how can I support you, or can I book an appointment? Of course I'm gonna cry. And if you don't want to see it, I don't even know what to tell you. It's the wrong channel for you, babe. Oh, okay. And I knew this stuff was coming. Because she had sent me a video. So the fact that I'm just like in my emotions over stuff that I had already seen, that just tells you how emotional I am as a person. Like, wow. Okay. I knew these were coming, y'all. Oh my gosh. I knew these were coming. So I'm acting like this. Oh my gosh. And if you have these, you know. If you browse the website, you know. Oh my gosh. So these are the Timeless Art Gels. They need no introduction. Just to own these is just, I don't even, wow. Wow. And it's the whole thing. Oh my gosh. You guys know I only had one pot before, and now I have all of them. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's crazy. Oh wow. This box is ridiculous. Okay, I'm just gonna start, and you guys, we are gonna be here for a minute. So I got from her the baby girl acrylic from Not Polish. Yeah, that's just the whole thing. I got princess slippers from Not Polish as well. I got some beautiful mylars. I have a couple of these, so I know for sure I don't have this color, because again, she did tell me what she was sending to me, and I told her what I'd gotten, and then she sent me stuff that I didn't have. Oh my gosh, that she had duplicates of. And so this is just, oh, this is too generous. It's too generous. And this is Mambasita. So this is really, really cool. For those of you that don't remember, I'm learning Spanish, so there you go. Smoked purple. Oh, that's so nice. Pleasure. This looks like this is gonna be really good for baby boomers too. Oh my gosh. Oh, and a jar of clear, and this is like, I have a jar of this, so again, you can never have too much clear. So this is, wow, that's just wow for me. Peach punch. Yeah, also like that's the OG collection. I have OG 187. I lilac you a lot. I think I was in a thing for naming this one. I'm not entirely sure, because they do a lot of giveaways, Not Polish, but she told me, she said this is a beautiful like soft lilac color, so I'm excited for that. Candy Crush. This is cute. Oh, this is cute. It's probably like a really nice fun peachy color. What else? Glow Getters. These powders are the cutest freaking names. Like, I don't even, the cutest names. Let's see. Drip Drip. And this is from the OMG collection. I have a couple colors from this already, so that's sweet. Deja Vu. Yeah, also from the OMG collection. This collection is fire. Heartbreaker, OMG 14. OMG 05 Nightcap, which I feel like I have this one. Do I have OMG Nightcap? I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I do have OMG Nightcap. So that's a second jar of that. And then I have Good Girl, which is awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh, and then this is the last thing. I know this video is long, but she just spoiled me. She spoiled me rotten. So this is the last thing, and this is Mia Secrets Cover Pink Acrylic, and you guys know how much I love this Cover Pink, how much it just flows with every single skin tone that I've ever had the pleasure to work with, anybody that's ever done business with me. So this is just awesome. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I cannot. Thank you so much. So you guys, that is my friend mail video. Wow. I'm gonna go and like be emotional, not on camera and not on social media platforms, but to the beautiful soul, thank you again. Thank you so much. I appreciate and love you and feel so supported by you and comforted by you. And we've talked all the time, like almost every day we chat, and you know I love you girls so much. So thank you for loving me back. Oh wow, I could never repay you. I couldn't. But thank you so much. And to the viewers, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for the new subscribers. The OGs was really good. I love y'all. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up on social media. I am happy to share this amazingness, this love with you guys, because the community is so much bigger and more beautiful and so much more heartfelt and full of support than a lot of us realize. And this is proof of that, because you guys seen where I came from with my first video and what I had, and to now with the friends and the products and the skill level and the techniques, you guys know. So thank y'all so much. Please, I don't know, show up to the next video and I will be there too. So I promise to see you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.